that pass within plus or minus 15% molar fluid laboratory, then that is a usable state.
Naaral din po ba kung anong naging epekto doon sa makina?
Of course, as a mechanical engineer, okay, so alam natin, cleaner oil performs better. And we know particulates, water content, viscosity, flash fluid is a very big factor to machines. So based on our experience, wala kayong problema sir na during our services to the companies. Wala tayong makita na ano. Kasi, of course, as an engineer, careful din ako. Okay.
Filter yung oil mo 3 to 5 times.
After na no.
Sir, I really appreciate na kwento mo yung passion nyo. Nakita ko dun sa innovation. Sir, when would you know na kailangan na po siyang i-restore? At ano po yung quality na or mga indicators na aside from the natural usage, yung indicators mo nakita na siya?
That's why, okay ma'am, the laboratory test result will speak for itself. Okay, mismo ang nasa planta, i-identify nila ang physical appearance ng oil. I-identify nila visually what is the condition of the water, the particulates, the ppm in terms of iron, aluminum, or whatsoever, ppm, and doon ma-analyze, nakita doon ano ang kondisyon. Pag hindi na siya within the tolerance, it is advisable not to use. Kaya na, doon i-restore natin, i-filter natin. Ano, ganyan. So, through laboratory test treatment, mag-identify na, i-restore na natin ito. Actually, mama, this is not talaga recycle word or filtration. This is restoration in the sense that kasi pag recycle or filter, hindi ka makakuha ng tubig. Ito sa akin, makakuha ng tubig. 99% proven by laboratory test result. So, that's why it is a unique way in restoration, giving solution to our industries, that on the other hand, it will give them points to their carbon disclosure project, CDP, and Global Repertorial Initiative for Waste Reduction and Climate Change Mitigation, RA 9759. Kasi ito nasa ano tayo, saan bang mga engineers natin? Nasa ibang bansa, wala dito sa Pilipinas. So I hope na on this junction na napakita ko rin ano. But sorry to, I am so emotional na just ano lang kasi gano'n lang talaga maka-emphasize ako sa technology ko. So,
yes sir, that's the reason I told you earlier, I can see your passion. Very passionate po kayo sa
I spent my whole lifetime for this technology.
That's
Time, money, effort. And the reality, mama, just to say the reality, as we know, invention from Bureau of Patent, RA 92, 82, 94, something like that, that it needs, number one, novelty, inventive steps, and industrial applicability. Ito ma'am, sa akin ma'am, inuuna ko doon ang industrial applicability. Naghirap ako, walang ulong talaga. Until such time, na-prove ko ang industrial applicability na talaga hinahanap ito ng mga company kasi solusyon. As observed by Secretary Balisacan, that the invention should be used by the Filipino. And the Business Secretary Solidov said that your prototype should be reached the industries. Nakita natin, novelty and inventive steps pa lang, which is in the stage of psychological reality. Reality na. How about this one that already validated by industries? That is existentially reality.
Sir, excuse me lang po. Sabi niyo po, it has been validated. So ano po yung naging application, ano po yung naging feedback ng mga customers nyo? Kasi na-mention nyo po nasa Laguna Techno
Can
Park
I,
kayo.
can I play the certification ma'am so that you can read the...
Sir,
Oh.
meron lang tayo 1 minute po. So,
Oh.
ano po ang
Hindi.
sa Laguna Techno Park, paano po ginagamit yung machine niya, sir?
Nag-serve ako noon ma'am, inside ako noon nag-serve sa leading precision and they certify that technology contribute therefore waste reduction, energy conservation, and company cost savings. Yung nakita ko na million savings, doon yung galing sa company na nag-serve ko sa Technopark.
Sir, tanong ko lang po, kasi kanina diba tinanong ko sa inyo like, paano malalaman or what are the indicators para alam nyo na kung i-restore na. Tanong ko, yun po bang mga restored oil, na-meet na po ba yung quality standards?
Of course, ma'am, kasi Monarch Oil Laboratory will specify that if the oil is in the usable state or usable specification, yung naman hindi papasa sa laboratory, ma'am, of course, hindi namin ituloy yan doon. A very big problem yan, di ba? So, yun na nga, dapat importante laboratory analysis po para mag-identify mo.
In terms of restoring it, sir, is it purely chemical treatment?
Okay. This is physical action through gravimetric atomization process. This is not physiochemical reaction. This is gravimetric atomization process. Physical action. Atomization.
Yes, sir. Can that reduce the superoxide, yung mga radicals niya, sir?
What superoxide? We are already reducing to atomization. The smallest part of the particle is being absorbed. So,
Sir, pag gravimetric ay naiintindihan ko yung process. Okay? Ang tinatanong ko po, sir, after using that process, kasi we are into quality ng oil. Di po ba meron po tayo mga, like for example, I forgot the name of the chemical, na kailangan matanggal po yun dun sa oil. I'm just wondering whether may test ba yun using your gravimetric atomization process. Naiintindihan ba you have to reduce to the atomic level? Hindi na nga lang atom, sir. Sige po, wala na.
Yes. Thank you so much. I know it's a very passionate and discussion, but we have to cut you right there. Remind po namin, we only have 5 minutes for the